Are you struggling with menopause belly fat? Me too. Well, today we're going to combat that belly fat with doing some high intensity workout, but we're going to start by doing some low impact, beginner friendly moves. So let's warm up. I am using LACEUPs today. All right, come on, let's go. All right, we're going to start by having good posture. Soften the knees, bend them slightly, engage that core, make it tight, relax the shoulders. Just pressing down on the mat with a little bit of a baby bounce. All right. Now, let's go to some squats. You're pushing your hips back when you squat. You're going to push your hips back. And squeeze as you come up. All right, let's go. Warm up. Focus on that core today. Really keep it tight, engaged, so we can get rid of that belly fat. Good. All right, basic bounce. Let's go. Optional weights. I'm just holding on to these. These are LACEUPs. You can put them around your wrist or just hold them in your hands. Let's go to heels. To the front. To the corners. Back to the front. Now add some bicep curls. Now corners, corner heel, and squeeze the shoulder blades together. As you're coming back, got it? So heels like this without using the weights, or heel, heel. Corner, and add the arms. Each step is about 30 seconds. Good. Let's go to a surf. Push the hip out and swing the arms. And switch to the other side. Push the hip out. And again to the other side. Switch. And knees up. Bring the arms up over your head. Bring the heart rate up. Rebounding, burning calories today. And scissors. Singles. Pop the legs up. Finish with a jump over. Let's go. Good. All right. Slow it down. You ready to power up? You can keep these or you can put these down. If you need water, make sure you stop and get water. Bring your feet out a little bit further than shoulder width apart. And just push side to side. And then we're going to speed it up by doing fast feet. Ready? Fast feet. Move your arms. Come on, you got this. Really engage that core. I'm pulling my belly button up and in. Let's go. I have FITKICKS on my feet today. They're like jazz shoes. Come on, fast feet. Quicker now, quicker, quick. Really move that trampoline. Quick, quick. You're gonna feel it in the thighs. Good. Okay, shake it out for a minute. And we're gonna go to low sprint in the center. Keep it low, sprint, let's go. Really push with the whole foot. Come on. All right, shake that out. Next one is going to be a low kick to the front. Looks like this. That's level 1. Kick it up a notch to level 2. Slow it down and shake side to side. Catch your breath. Good. Next one is going to be jumping jacks combination. So out and in. That's your half jack. Level 1 is a step out and step in. Starting with one leg, switch into the other leg. Kick it up a notch, out and in. Out, in, out, in. Pop the legs up. Cross jack, cross, and cross. Squeeze the inner thigh, working the pelvic floor muscles and the lower abdominals. Ready to kick it up even more? Let's go to full jacks. Ready? Pop the legs up. Let's go. Whew. Back to half. Let's go to double, in, out. Double, double. You want to get your brain thinking? Go double out, single, double out. So double out, single, double out, in, double out, single, double out. All right, let's just do singles. Cross jacks. Full jacks, ready? You can also just go like this, up and down, or all the way around. Get ready to finish and take a break. All right, slow it down, step off, get a drink of water. All right, we're going to use our trampoline now. Step up and kick. Step, kick, back, back, step, kick. 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 Got it? All right, now come down to a plank. Hold your plank. Ready? Good posture. Hold that core in tight. We don't want to be down here or up here. We want to be straight. Now walk out and in. Switch to the other side. Out, in. You're going to feel it in the core. Got it? All right, go back to holding it. Now, come down on your elbows and push back up. Hold the core. Come on, you got this. That's too hard. Drop to your knees and hold it. The other one you can do is a walking plank, elbows and up to the arms. All right, all kinds of combinations with a plank. Now, go back up here, move this a little bit. Ready? You're going to do a double, 1, 2, 3, tuck, jump. 1, 2, 3, jump. 2, 3, and jump. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and tuck. 1, 2, 3, and tuck. 1, 2, 3, and tuck. All right, shake it out. Let's do some heel clicks. All right, let's shake that out. Very good. Now, let's do knee, knee, and kick. Knee, knee, and kick. So 2 knees and a kick. All right, good. Shake that out. All right, let's do some knee pulls. To the side, corner, working the waist, the obliques. Good. Kick it up a notch with happy monkey. All right, let's just slow it down by doing a little joyful jump. I got hair on me today. Yeah. Slow it down with the heel lift. Left and right. Working the lymphatic system, pumping those toxins out. Bacteria. You got this. Finish. Come on. And bring your arms up. Back to a health bounce. Pushing just a little bit off the mat. You use your whole foot. Kind of pushing. And shift side to side and take it down and relax. And remember to stretch on your own or find a really good stretching video by Michelle Breedler, one of my favorite instructors. And up. And come on down. To a squat, push forward, grab the trampoline, come back down to a squat, 1 vertebrae at a time. And pat yourself on the back. Step off very carefully. And that's it for today. Don't forget, I always want to hear from you. So don't forget to comment below. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single workout. And I will see you next time.